Hey guys, Glen Murray. Welcome to my AI Coloring Book Academy review. If you're new to my channel, just hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Now, what I'm going to get into is I'm going to actually show you behind the scenes of this amazing tool. This is going to show you exactly how to use AI to create coloring books. And look at guys, I was just Googling, coloring books can make anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 passive income. So basically you put these things together. It might take you an hour or two to put it together, and then it just sits there and makes passive income on a daily basis. So how much does it cost to get into this? It is $27. It's an amazing deal. There's no discounts or anything like that. It's just $27 to get into it, and you get the entire AI Coloring Book Academy. You get these bonuses, which is you fix past failures. There's probably 1 million coloring books published. It's a bonus training module, and I'll show you exactly how to get your coloring book sold. Amazon A+ Sales Enhancer. And so you get those 2 amazing bonuses. Okay, so let's jump into the back because that's what you want to see. So the way it's laid out is it's all done in courses, and it takes you through. Start here kind of gives you the introductory, but then it really dives into niche discovery, popular authors with Amazon. It shows you how to, it actually shows you the actual prompts. This one's great. So it shows you the prompts to use inside on how to make profitable books. Very, very, very cool. So it's really, really, really well laid out. It gets you into creating the coloring pages, simple book creation with Canva. So just some simple tools to use. How to publish to KDP quickly, because some people get daunting because you got to go publish the thing. Well, he walks you through everything there, and then automate sales and marketing with AMS. Bonuses, Canva templates, massive sales booster with A+ content. These are those bonuses, and sales saving secrets, turning losses into wins. Talking to people that have got it. I'm in the affiliate marketing niche, so I don't do coloring books, but talking to people that have actually gone in and got the course, they said it's so easy to get your first book published almost immediately. So definitely want to check it out for $27, guys. You could be creating a passive income stream of $2,000 to $5,000 every month, just working maybe 5 to 10 hours a month. Pretty simple stuff. All right, so that is it. I just want to get in here and show you. This is the sales page. I'm going to put a link below to it. Now, if you're not interested in doing this, you want to learn more about what I'm doing, I'll put a link to what I do. What I do is I'll send you a quick start guide, but I'll also show you the exact training that I took to learn how to do all of the affiliate marketing that I do, and I'll put that in the link below. All right, guys. Again, it's been Glen Murray. If you're new to my channel, hopefully you subscribe, give it a thumbs up. This is the AI Coloring Book Academy review, and I 100% recommend it. A lot of products I review, guys, are not that good. This is one that is very, very good. So you will definitely learn. And if you want to just not make coloring books, you can take the same principles and make whatever books you want. Basically, it's the same principles. You just change what content you want to make into it. All right, guys. I will see you on the next one. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and talk to you later.